Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 10. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add and subtract multiples of 10 from multiples of 10 to 100, including dimes. So looking at this, we have a picture. And we can see our number sense is going to be subtracting because of this minus sign. So I know that looking at this, I know subtraction is your whole minus your part equals your other part. So I know my whole is whenever I am adding, I know that my whole is whenever I have all of it at one time. So I have to say how many tens I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. Then I have to say how many I'm taking away, because that minus means take away. So 9 take away. How many are taken away? 1, 2, 3. 3 equals how many I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens left. So 9 tens minus 3 tens equals 6 tens. Now we're going to write it again, but now we're going to actually write the value of what 9 tens is. I know 9 tens is 90 because I can count it by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Minus 30, which is 10, 20, 30. Minus equals 60, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 90 minus 30 equals 60, which is the same thing as 9 tens minus 3 tens equals 6 tens. Alright guys, that's it for this video.